Good morning, guys. Welcome back or to the channel. In today's video, we're going to do a last drive video on the 6.0 as it is, because, well, in the next video we're headed to Texas. I've already filmed that video and I'm here. Y'all will see while I'm at a tire store, but last video we was in the blue truck, went to Texas and picked up something for the 6.0 that's pretty freaking cool. But today we're going to do a last drive video in this truck as it is, and also we're going to pick up a trailer here in a bit, and we're going to do our last of our testing with our aluminum radiator as well. So y'all stay tuned for that video, or y'all might have already seen it, I don't know, we'll see. But anyways, we're going to drop some stuff off here at the tire store that y'all don't know about, and well, here in a bit we'll head home, and like I said, I'm going to do like a bit of a last drive type video. Alright, so we just dropped off certain things here in the shop, put the bed cover back on, and wouldn't you know, I guess it's pretty fitting for the last drive, we need diesel fuel, because we're just above a quarter. So I guess that is probably going to be part of the last drive. And then we need to do another video thing that y'all have probably already seen, but I completely forgot that we forgot to do the second part of our test on temperatures with the aluminum radiator. So I'm gonna go get diesel, and we're going to load the blue truck up. Y'all probably already seen this video, by the way. We're gonna load the blue truck up, go do that, and then I'll finish out this video there. But I figured take a little drive in this thing and throw some diesel in it. That way when the new things go on, we can have a fresh tank of fuel and fresh things, and we'll be good. So anyway, I'm gonna head out and I will catch y'all at the fuel station. All right, so I'm back at my second home, the gas station. Anyway, diesel is currently 409. Ooh, heck yeah, it was 429 yesterday. But anyway, diesel 409. What do you think it's gonna cost to fill this thing up? Drop a comment down below, let me know. And also comment down below, what are y'all paying for diesel where you're at? That'd be interesting to know. But anyway, get out here, fill this thing up, and I guess we'll head back to the house. I guess no, we need to go pick up trailer and then we'll head back to the house. All right, so I don't know what it costs to fill this thing up. I gave up. It took almost 10 minutes for 70 bucks for the fuel, so I figured we're gonna be here all day, and I don't have time for that. So 70 bucks. Well, I got my receipt somewhere. It's up here. 70 bucks got us 17.08 gallons. All right, here it is. So 70 bucks got us 17 gallons of diesel fuel. What's that? I don't think that's too bad. So I don't know what it cost to fill it up. Probably 80, but that probably would have took another 5 minutes. So got a bunch of stuff to do today, because we're thinking, or we're being told it's supposed to snow today, and it's supposed to start raining at 2. So figured we got several things we need to do. Yep, you're welcome. But got several things we need to do. Like I said, I got this video to do, I got another video to do, and I'm hoping to get said things installed today, hopefully, and then that'll be another video. So like I said, we got a few things to do, but anyways, I'll catch y'all at the house. And also for anybody, because I know I've had several comments on this asking about the Maxxis all-terrains, the road noise. As you can see, we're doing a 45 on the dot. This is the road noise, for anybody who's curious. Not bad, but these tires are They're almost a year old, but I don't think I have but like 4,000 miles on them, maybe. I haven't rotated them yet. So I figure they're gonna get louder, but probably not for a while anyway. But anyways, I'll catch y'all at the house. We'll go pick up this trailer. I gotta pick up my grandpa. We're gonna pick up the trailer, take it back to the house, and I guess I will catch y'all somewhere in between. All right, so we're getting hooked up to this trailer here, and I will say this backup camera makes this real nice, real nice. But anyway, for the 6.0, we're gonna do this real quick, and I'll probably end up the video here in a bit. But I love this thing, but I think it's about to get a whole heck of a lot cooler, and I can't wait. So that's why I'm running around like a... But like I was saying, I love this truck. I absolutely love this truck. But I'm thinking here in a couple videos for y'all, this thing is gonna get a whole heck of a lot cooler, and I can't wait. So that's kind of why I run around like a madman trying to get stuff done, doing this, doing that, running here, running there, all over the place. But just know this thing, well, some of you probably ain't gonna like it, but this thing's about to get a whole heck of a lot cooler, and I can't wait. So like I said, we're trying to get stuff done, stuff that I've been meaning to do, trying to go ahead, get it done and whatnot. But I'm gonna step out here real quick. I'm gonna help him get this trailer all situated, and I will catch y'all back at the house. All right, so we got the trailer with blue truck all loaded up. We're gonna get it strapped down, and we're gonna go ahead and do this real quick. Like I said, that's a different video. Y'all already seen that video more than likely. But anyway, like I said, I think this thing is about to get a whole lot cooler, and I can't wait to see how it looks and whatnot. And I'll probably do some more comparison stuff with those, but I gotta run in the house, grab the tuner. We're gonna hook the tuner up, get our temperatures and stuff, towing with the aluminum radiator. But guys, I think yeah, I guess I'll catch y'all here in a bit. We'll get this video finished up, and like I said, I'll catch y'all here in a little bit, and we'll finish this one up. All right, so had to run up here, Greenbrier, grab some stuff, but wouldn't you know it, here in Arkansas it decided to rain. So I guess we're gonna have to wait to do said thing, because there's no point to me doing this to not be able to film the video and then wait and everything's gonna be filthy, and I'm not doing it. So I guess it's whatever. But anyway guys, I think like I said, I think that is going to be a wrap for this video. So with that being said, if y'all enjoyed today's video, or you're excited to see the new look on the 6.0, drop a like, drop a comment down below, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And well, I guess I will catch y'all in the next one, because in the next video we are headed to Texas. So it should be a pretty good one. We've already done it, but I think y'all enjoy it. But anyway guys, thank y'all for watching, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.